Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered how to get super tender, juicy chicken bursting with flavor? The secret often lies in a good marinade, and yogurt is a game changer. It naturally tenderizes the meat without making it mushy, thanks to its mild acidity. Plus, it helps spices really cling to the chicken, infusing every bite with deliciousness. This method is incredibly easy and yields amazing results. Creating your marinade is quite simple. Start with plain yogurt. Full fat works beautifully for a richer texture. Then, bring in your favorite spices. Think a fragrant blend of cumin, coriander, and paprika. Fresh garlic and ginger add an amazing aromatic base, and a squeeze of lemon juice brightens everything up. Just mix it all together in a bowl until it's well combined. Once your chicken pieces are ready, maybe cut into even cubes or strips, gently coat them completely in the creamy marinade. Make sure every bit is covered. Now, place it in a covered container and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. For the very best flavor and tenderness, let it marinate overnight. That's when the magic truly happens, ensuring a deeply infused taste. Now for the exciting part, cooking. Yogurt marinated chicken is incredibly versatile. You can bake it in the oven at around 400 degrees Fahrenheit until it's golden and cooked through. It also grills wonderfully. Just use medium heat to prevent charring the yogurt too quickly. Pan frying works too, giving you a lovely crust. Just make sure it reaches a safe internal temperature. Your amazing yogurt marinated chicken is now ready to enjoy. It pairs wonderfully with fluffy rice, warm naan bread, or a crisp side salad. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro or parsley adds a lovely touch, both in flavor and appearance. This recipe truly transforms simple chicken into something extraordinary, making it a fantastic choice for any meal. Give it a try soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.